Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, this is exercise Abhyas Patram 4 related to chapter number 13, 14th and 15th of entire Sanskrit. Now in this video we are going to discuss question answers of this chapter, this textbook Abhyas Patram 4. You will see over there Satyam Asatyam and all the questions which are given here. So be ready to write the answers. Let's start first with वाक्यं पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम असत्यम इति लिखता. Students, as a first question suggests, वाक्यं पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम असत्यम इति लिखता. That means you have to write sentence again. You have to copy the sentence, then you have to mention whether this sentence is satyam or asatyam, right? So the Ashtadhyayi, this is the from Pratipadam Sanskritam, and its answer is say Ashtadhyayi iti Natya Shastra Visheka Grantha Asti. This sentence is incorrect because Ashtadhyayi is grammar book, not a drama book. So this sentence will be asatyam. And remember, when it is asking to write Vakyam Punarlikitva Satyam Asatyam, that means the examiner means the person asking you to write the sentence and not to correct the sentence. So sentence should be same, but you have to mention in front of that whether it is satyam or asatyam. This first one is asatyam. Now second sentence is संस्कृतस्य ज्ञानम आधुनिक भारतीय भाषाणां विश्लेषणे अतीव सहायकरं भवति. So संस्कृतस्य ज्ञानम means the knowledge of Sanskrit become helpful while analyzing modern Indian languages. So this is satyam. This sentence is satyam as per this chapter. इस चैप्टर के बेसिस पे ये वाक्य सही है और इसमें आपको वाक्य लिखने के बाद में ऐसे ही मेंशन करना है सत्यम. यू कैन पुट देयर डैश एंड देन यू कैन राइट आंसर सत्यम लाइक दिस वे. बट स्पेलिंग आप चेक कर लो सत्यम का कैसा आएगा. नाउ कम टू उचितम पर्यायम चित्वा वाक्यम पुनर्लिखत मीन्स choose the correct options given in the bracket and rewrite the sentence. While writing the answer of this, remember that few things we have to take care. As I highlighted in this sentence the particular word that governs a certain vibhakti. So in very first sentence there is samipe means dash samipe subhashit sangraham drishtva maya chintitam. Actually this type of questions will come based on the passage. पैसेज दिया रहेगा उसी में से ये क्वेश्चन आएगा. फिर भी हमें कुछ ध्यान देना है तो आपको उतना ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी अगर आपको कुछ वर्ड्स याद है. जैसे समीपे इज उपपद विभक्ति, इट इज़ गिवन ऑल्सो टू फ्रेम द सेंटेंस एंड इट रिक्वायर्स षष्ठी विभक्ति. सो इसका आंसर इज भवत्याः एज इट इज़ हाईलाइटेड ऑल्सो टिक किया हुआ है. तो सेंटेंस विल बी भवत्याः समीपे सुभाषित संग्रहम दृष्ट्वा मया चिंतितम. Once again I am just reminding you, once again I am informing you that you have to write complete sentence. ये नहीं कि मैंने ये word लिख दिया मेरा काम हो गया. You have to write complete sentence but put this word in the box और underline करो. So वो एग्जामिनर का टाइम सेव करेगा और आपके बाकी स्पेलिंग को वो मार्क नहीं करेगा, वो इग्नोर कर देगा. ये वर्ड आप आंसर आपने बॉक्स में डाला है या अंडरलाइन किया तो वो चेक करके आगे पे जाएगा. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज डैश अवगतम. सो दिस इज पैसिव. अवगतम इज पार्टिसिपल, तो प्रत्यय लगा यहाँ पे एंड दिस इज अवगतम इज पार्टिसिपल. सो इट इज ऑलवेज यूज विथ पैसिव सेंटेंस. सो द सब्जेक्ट शुड बी मया. सो मया अवगतम. नाउ द सेंटेंस नंबर 3 इज पृष्ठतः डैश युवकाः गोष्ठीषु रताः. So पृष्ठतः then dash here is विशेषण given कश्चन और केचन. तो युवकाः इज इन प्लूरल प्रथमा बहुवचन अकारांत शब्द and कश्चन इज प्रथमा एक वचन but केचन इज प्रथमा बहुवचन. सो आंसर विल बी केचन. सो पृष्ठतः केचन युवकाः गोष्ठीषु रता. सो ये इसका आंसर है. ई अस्माभिः संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनं शालां और शालायां. सो दैट रिक्वायर लोकेटिव फॉर्म शालायां कृतम. सो अस्माभिः संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनं शालायां कृतम. सो इसका आंसर ये है सेकेंड वर्ड. एंड द लास्ट वन इन उचितम पर्यायं चित्वा वाक्यं पुनर्लिखत इज एते सर्वे अपि डैश सहभागिनः. सो here again it saptami vibhakti required, that is locative form required. So parishadi is in saptami ekvachan, and that is correct option. But because both words are given in saptami vibhakti, but पहला इसका करेक्ट है. एते सर्वे अभी परिषदि मीन्स इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस, सहभागिनम इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग. So these are the answer of उचितम पर्याम चित्वा वाक्यम पुनर्लिखता. Now next question is विरुद्धार्थक शब्दान लिखता. That means antonym words लिखना है. So while writing this question you have to write the word also, and in front of that you have to write answer as I have written here. Check the answer how to write. बलवान. बलवान means powerful, mighty. इसका opposite is, ये साइन होना ही चाहिए while you are writing answer. ये साइन अवश्य लिखो आप. And also write the main question, means ये question copy करो, main question, then write this word. In front of that write the answer. So बलवान is opposite is बलहीनः और निर्बला. पुरतः, पुरतः means before or in front. So इसका opposite is पृष्ठतः. Its opposite is पृष्ठतः. Third one is nirdhana. You can see here nirdhana means poor. So its opposite is dhanika, rich one. dhanika, धनवान, धनिकः. सधना नहीं आएगा, निर्धना, सधना, that is dhanika is correct answer. Then mitram, that is very popular word, and since H10 you are using this word, so mitram, it is ekvachan napunsakling. तो शत्रु is ekvachan पुलिंग वर्ड, प्रथमा एक वचन, बट एक वचन ही चाहिए प्रथमा का, बिकॉज दिस वर्ड इज इन प्रथमा एक वचन. सो शत्रु. सेकेंड लास्ट वन इज पंडिता, दैट मीन्स स्कॉलर, एंड इट्स अपोजिट वर्ड इज मूर्ख और मूढ़. एनी वर्ड यू कैन राइट, मूर्ख और मूढ़. एंड द लास्ट वन इज श्रेयस्कर. श्रेयस्कर मीन्स बेनिफिशियल. इट्स अपोजिट इज हानिकर. सो दीज आर द आंसर ऑफ विरुद्धार्थक शब्दान लिखा था. Now come to Samas Vigraham. Actually here it is written Samas Vigraham Gurutam, means Samas Vigraha करो. But in the paper as you know कि आपको पूरा पेपर में लिखने के लिए आएगा 3 part में. There will be 3 box. So I have written answer in such way. Samast Padam, that means Samas word. Samas Vigraha, that is Vigraha, dissolving form. And Samast Padanam means that is Samas का नाम. So first one is dar poshan rataha. It is dar poshane rataha, saptami vibhakti. So rata requires saptami and samas name is saptami tatpurusha. Check the spelling. Second word is yamaraj sahodarah. Vigrah is yamarajasya, that is in shashti. So yamarajasya sahodarah, so shashti tatpurusha. Third one is ramabhisheka. So Ramasya Abhisheka is Vigraha form. So Ramasya is in Shashti, so Shashti Tatpurush Samas. Fourth one is Hemghataha. Hemghataha is Anand Shabd, so Hemnah Ghataha, the golden jar actually, Hemnah Ghataha, the pot of gold, so that is Shashti Tatpurush Samas. Fifth one is Pashupati. So Pashu means animals, Pati means the master or the owner. So पशु नाम पति, पशु नाम is षष्ठी बहुवचन, so षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. Now 6th number is पन्नग भूषणः. पन्नग भूषणः, पन्नग means snake, भूषणम means ornament. So पन्नगः भूषणम यस्य सः. पन्नग is snake, that is masculine word. Bhushanam is napunsakling word, that is ornament. Yasya sah, whose. So whose ornament? A snake is whose ornament. So that is bahubrehi samas, because when I explain samas, I told you yasya sah jaise hi aaya, that means bahubrehi samas. Then samudrasya, samudra sudha. Sudha means daughter and samudra means ocean. So samudrasya sudha, that is shashti. So shashti tatpurush samas. Then 8th number is pratikshalayaha. So pratiksha means waiting, alaya means house. So pratikshaye alaya, house for waiting. So that is pratikshaye is in chaturthi vibhakti. So this is chaturthi tatpurush samas. Then nidra magnaha. So nidra and magna. So nidrayam magna. Magna requires sapmi. So sapmi tatpurush samas. Samipastha. So stha is made of sthatishta. So it's a vigra is samipya tishtati iti. Whenever stha tishta will be there, and if it is upat tatpurusha samas, then the word will be in saptami. So samipya is in saptami vibhakti, so samipya tishtati iti, and that is the sign of upat tatpurusha samas. 11th number is subhashit sangraha. Subhashit sangraha. Subhashit means good saying, and sangraha means collection. So subhashitanam sangraha, that is in Shashti. So Shashti Tatpurush Samas. Then 12th number is Mahakavyam. Maha and Kavyam. Maha is Visheshan, Kavyam is noun. So Mahat Kavyam, because Kavyam is Napunsakling, so as per gender of noun, it is also in Napunsakling. So Mahat Kavyam, both are in Prathama Ekvachan, it is Karmadharaya Samas. Kavya kaisa? Epic kaisa? So Mahan. Then Mahavidyalaya, again same. So Vidyalaya is masculine male word, so Mahan Vidyalaya, both are in Prathama Ekvachan of pulling sab, it is also Karmadharaya Samas. Then 13th number is 14th number is Bharata Muni. So Bharata Nama Muni. So Bharata is proper noun, Muni is common noun. So यहाँ पे नाम आया Bharata Nam Muni, मतलब says by the name Bharat. So Karmadharaya Samas. 15th number is Vishesharhata. Vishesharhata. So it is Vishesha Arhata. Vishesha is in Prathama Ekvachan of feminine, because Arhata is in Prathama Ekvachan of feminine. So Karmadharaya Samas. Manavta Dharma, that is the chapter name of last chapter name is Manavta Dharma, that is the title. So Manavta Eva Dharma, it is also Karmadharaya Samas. 17th is Sarva Dharma. So Dharma is masculine plural form. Dharma Dharmo Dharmaha. So Dharma is masculine plural. So Sarva Sarvo Sarve is in plural form. It is also Karmadharaya Samas. Then 18th number is Abhyuday Krut. Krut is कर्म क्रू से बना हुआ है. तो अभ्युदयम करोति इति. सो करोति इति इज इन लट लकार. सो इट इज उपपद तत्पुरुष समास. सो दो साइन है, फर्स्ट लट लकार एंड देन इति. ये दो साइन जब ये आएगा तो दैट समास इज उपपद तत्पुरुष समास. 19th is Ambhodaha. So Amba means water, Daha means Dayacha, giver. So Ambha, because Ambha shabd hai, Sakarant word. So Ambha Dadati iti, because the compound word is in plural. So Ambha Dadati iti, it is Uppat Tatpurush Samas. Then 20th number is Savadhana Manaha. So Savadhanam Manaha. Manaha is neuter word, so Savdhanam, that Visheshan is also Napunsakling. So it is Karmadharaya Samas. So these are Samas word. So I hope you understood. Now next part. Namatalekam Puriyata. I show you the answer of this. Bhumi is Ikarant, Stilling Shabd. So Panchami Vibhakti is required. So Bhumyaha or Bhumehe. Here is I have written Bhumyaha just like Natyaha. Bhumibhyam Bhumibhyaha. So as I have underlined, similarly you, and in the same way you should underline the answer word in the paper. The Saptami Vibhakti, Vidyuti, that is Vidyut Takarant word feminine. So Vidyuti, Vidyutoho, Vidyutsu. These are the answers, Vidyutoho and Vidyutsu. Ambu is Ukarant Napunsakling word. Prathama Vibhakti required. So Ambu, Choti U ki matra, Ambuni, Ambu, Ambuni, just a minute, let me correct. Yeah, so Ambu, Ambuni, Ambuni Prathama. So this is a table based on the noun. Now Sarvanam Taliga. Sarvanam Taliga, Etat. So this is either you can consider male or neuter. The Tritiya Vibhakti is required. So Eten is given. So Etabhyam, Etaihi. Eten देख के ही मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये तो न्यूटर होगा या फिर पुल्लिंग शब्द होगा. So Eten Etabhyam Etaihi. And in this next part, you can see Yushmanvaha. So Yushmatsa. So Dutiya Vibhakti is required. Tvam Tva, Yuvam Vam, Yushmanva. So if optional forms are given, then also you have to write optional form. अगर optional form नहीं दिया होता तो Tvam, Yuvam भी चलता. लेकिन optional form दिया है तो आपको optional form लिखना जरूरी है. Then Kabhya, that is Kabhya is indicating it is feminine form. So its answer will be कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्य, दैट इज चतुर्थी. सो फॉर्म देख के ही मालूम होता है कि ये फेमिनाइन फॉर्म है. नाउ कम टू क्रियापद तालिका. क्रियापद तालिका फर्स्ट वर्ड इज लट लकार दा यच्छ. सो यच्छति यच्छत यच्छन्ति, बिकॉज यच्छत को देख के ही मालूम होता है प्रथमा विभक्ति रिक्वायर है. सेकेंड नंबर इज अस, द रूट सेकेंड क्लास बिलोंगिंग टू सेकेंड का मध्यम लोट लकार. तो एधि स्तंभ स्त, एधि स्तंभ स्त. एंड द लास्ट वन इज विद विंद. इट इज ऑल्सो आत्मनेपद फॉर्म and within lagar form is required. So vindeyam is given. So vindeyam, vindeva, vindema. So these are the answer based on kriyapad talika. Now come to again kriyapad talika. That is sahate, sahete, sahante, lat lakar, sah, one apa. Likhehe, likhetam, likheta, within lakar. And asit, astam, asan, lang lakar. So these are the forms of this table. Next one is, you can see here next one. Next one is pujayani, pujayava, pujayama, that lot lakar uttamah, puja 10 class, and it is parasmepad, not atmanepad. That was saying the form you can understand, this is parasmepad, not atmanepad. Then the next one is अकुरुथाहा, अकुर्वाथाम, अकुरुध्वम, लंग लकार मध्यम पुरुष. So it is atmanepad form. So akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudhvam. And the last one is here gamishyami, lut lakar, gam gacha. By seeing the form you can recognize. So gamishyami, gamishyavah, gamishyama. So these are the answer based on verbs. Now come to dhatu sadit. That is dhatu sadit visheshan talikam puriyata. So how to write the answer? A few answers are given here. See, one form is puja 10 upar is mentioned here. So pujitah is ta pratyay, pujitvan is tavat pratyay, and pujyah and pujaya mana are already given. Then khada, khada, khadita is given already, ta pratyay, and khaditvan is also given here. So I have written krityaha, and just I have taken one form. So that is khadyaha. If you want to write, if you wish to write, so you can write khadaniya and khaditavya. So but आप तीनों में से एक ही फॉर्म लिखो, that is better. So khadya is krit pratyaya and khadan is shatru pratyaya. And the last one is labha. So ta pratyaya here, because of sandhi rule, it become labdhaha. Labdhavan already given, labhaniya is already given, and labhamana I have taken here labhamana. So anman pratyay. So these are the answer of this. Remember how to write answer. So just seeing the labdhavan, tavat pratyay का जो फॉर्म होगा तो आधा फॉर्म इसमें तब में भी वही यूज होगा. So by this trick you can understand the answer of this. So these are the answers of Abhyas Patram 4. Remaining part, that is the next part, based on the Amar course questions, I will upload on in next video. So please keep on watching. Do writing practice, because writing practice only will help you to get full marks in these questions. So again I'm telling you, because very soon you have to face board examination. So do writing practice, do revision every day. In the early morning, get up and do the revision of slokas, then that is as the nibandh writing, as well as vakya framing. So that will help you to get good marks. So thank you for watching this video, and very soon I'm going to upload next video.